How to fix TikTok not letting you message. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check the TikTok age requirement, as TikTok only allows direct messages if you were 16 or older. So open TikTok and tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on the account option you see there. Further, tap on account information and then go ahead and check your age. If you follow the age requirement, then follow the next step. That is, make sure both accounts follow each other, as TikTok messaging only works only when both people follow each other. So make sure that you follow them and they follow you back. Now, in TikTok profile, again, tap on the three lines again and tap on settings and privacy. Here, tap on the privacy option you see there and then tap on the messaging option. Here, make sure messages is set to friends. If this option is missing, then you might be because your age is under 16. Next, go ahead and in settings and privacy again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and then restart your phone and then log back in. This will refresh your account settings. Also check if your account is restricted, as TikTok may limit features if you have violated community guidelines or if you have sent too many messages quickly or if someone reported your account. So make sure that you are not being restricted by TikTok. And if you follow all these and still not able to message, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and make sure the TikTok application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly with all its features. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix not letting TikTok message. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.